Here we don't call our team members mechanics, we call them technicians.
Mechanic is something of the past.
If you don't cut up to speed, you get left behind very quickly.
It's the way of the future. It is what's going on in these cars. They're all computerized.
Just, the kids do, it's too much for me.
In this day and age, especially in my opinion, you need a good knowledge of computer skills in order to properly interact with the vehicle and understand what it's saying.
That's our business. That's what we do.
But on the other hand, if you have a carburetor, I will deal with it myself. The kids don't even know what it is, all right? Just let the old guy be an old guy.
When people come in, they want to cut to the chase. They don't want to have to pay someone to be wondering or trying to figure it out.
Here I am the go-to guy for that. That's definitely my specialty. It's what I love to do.
We've had situations where they've been at a dealership and the dealership did not figure out what was going on.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks very much.
You're welcome. And so we really get a vast range of problems. Our level of the European, the import is top level. With our diagnostic equipment, we are equipped with tools for every manufacturer. We bring another level to the industry, I say, because we can do things that even the dealerships cannot.
That's a squeaky belt, eh?